All right, dreamers. So we have some scissors, some pony beads in white, black, and blue, and also some elastic string. It's the stretchy string. It's like 1 mm. And we're going to be making swirl bracelets today with these pony beads, which they call candy beads. And we're going to get right into it. So I'm going to use this stretchy string here. I'm not going to cut it until the end. So I'm just unraveling it, and then I'm going to start putting the pony beads onto the string. You want to count out 35 beads. I tried it with the smaller ones, like a small count. You will see it be very small. It's too little. So 35 beads is a good size for the wrist of a normal size, which is 7 inches. And we're just going to go ahead and keep putting the beads onto the string. Once you get all 35 beads onto the strand, we're going to cut the string, and then we're going to go ahead and tie it. And you do the regular tie, and then you do an extra tie on top. And you see, remember I said when I tried it using a smaller amount of beads, it was too small, so I decided to add more. So I got this beautiful design and idea from this YouTuber. I'll pronounce it. I'm going to put it in the description box below. Make sure you guys go and check them out. They have so many cool designs, and I thought this was pretty cool too. So we're just going to continue putting the 35 beads onto the strand, and then we're going to take this strand, we're going to tie it, and then we're going to do the same thing. We're going to repeat it over again. All right, dreamers. So we taking another piece of the elastic string. We adding white beads on this time. We're gonna count out 35 beads. We're gonna put all these beads onto this elastic string. You guys can use whatever colors you guys like. I just thought this was a cool idea. But let me know down below what pony beads, what color beads do you guys use, and if you're gonna try this design. Now that we have the beads onto the lashes string, we're going to take the white beads and wrap it around the black bracelet about 4 times. After wrapping it around, we're going to tie it and make sure you make a secure knot. You can make it as tight as you like. I just made it a little loose so you guys can see. I didn't make it that tight. And then we're going to cut off the excess string, and then we're going to add another layer. But I just want you guys to see how it looks with just two. It looks pretty good. All right, dreamers, this is the last and final layer for this bracelet. Like I said before, you could stop at the two and just wear it like that, or you could add the third layer like I'm doing here. I'm just adding 35 beads onto this string, and then we're going to go ahead and wrap it around 4 times, and then we're going to tie. Make sure it's a secure knot, tie it, cut it, and manipulate it so you guys can see what it looks like. This is a closer look so you guys can see me wrapping it around the bracelet 4 times. So you just wrapping it around in the same direction. Because if you wrap it a different direction, it's not going to look the same. So wrap it in the same direction as you did the previous ones. So now I'm creating the shape that I want the bracelet to be in. You can, like I said before, you can make it as tight as you want, but not too tight. I had mine real loose, but I'm showing you guys how I'm making the shape for the bracelet. So here is the finished bracelet, a swirl and a braided one that I made off camera. Let me know if you guys gonna try to do those kind of designs. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.